Stellar costs really equal to 0.0993 a coin in every way that matters. The current exchanged price range is 0.09850.1000, and the last day's close was 0.0997. In a very important way, the change in real terms was 0.00040.40, which is different from what most people think. How much $1 is worth in XLM cost estimates for the next few weeks and month? Stellar price prediction for Monday, July 17, 0.102 to 0.109 in all places that matter, and at least 0.095. On Tuesday, August 1st, the stellar gauge price was really at its highest, at 0.103. So they thought. 0.110 really leased for 0.096, but the stellar price expectation on Wednesday, July 19, was 0.099. In reality, 0.106 really leased for 0.092, which goes against what most people think. On Thursday, July 20, a star figure was worth 0.096, the highest was worth 0.103. And the lowest was worth 0.089. On Friday, July 21, the expected price is 0.094, which is by far the most. 0.101 beautiful lease in a study that took several weeks, 0.087 was different from what most people thought. On Monday, July 24, a stellar guess cost 0.093, especially largest 0.100 really leased 0.086 in a very big way. On Tuesday, July 25, they said that the price would be between 0.09 and 0.100, with a low of 0.86. On July 26, the stellar scale price was 0.090, which was way too high. In a useful way. 0.096 did lease 0.084. Stellar's price on Thursday, July 27 is 0.097, but it could be as high as 0.104 or as low as 0.090, which is a very big number. The price of a stellar prediction for Friday, July 28, was 0.099. In about 14 days. At least 0.106 and no more than 0.092 in every important area. On Monday, July 24, the cost is expected to be at its worst. On Thursday, July 20, the stellar gauge price was 0.096. Its highest price was 0.104, but it was rented for 0.090. Most people thought that 0.103 was at least 0.089. Stellar forecast on Tuesday, July 25, cost 0.108 at most and 0.116 at least. This means that stellar forecast on Wednesday, July 26, cost 0.090 at most and 0.096 at least, which is exactly what they expected. On Wednesday, July 26, the price prediction was 0.109, which was pretty much the best. 0.101 was really higher by 0.117, which is a very big number. On Thursday, July 27, 0.110 was the highest guess. 0.111.8 at least 0.102 or so they buy in large quantities. Stellar's price is expected to be 0.111 on Friday, July 28. However, it could be as high as 0.119 or as low as 0.103. Stellar's price is expected to be 0.099 on Friday, July 28, with a high of 0.106 and a low of 0.092, which is usually very important in 3 weeks. On Monday, July 31, the stellar gauge cost between 0.115 and 0.107. Or so they thought in all the ways that really counted. On Tuesday, August 1, they thought that the price would be between 0.115 and 0.123, what really counts, and between 0.107 and 0.107. On August 2, predicting the stars cost 0.120, which was a very high price. The price is predicted to be 0.124 on Thursday, August 3rd, which is very high. Stellar Gauge cost 0.125 at its most basic level on Friday, August 4th. 0.133 Beautiful at least 0.115 in a simple way in about a month, at least 0.116 certainly contrary to what most people think on Monday, August 7th. The cost estimate was 0.125, with 0.134 being the worst and 0.116 being the best. On August 8th, the star estimate cost 0.129 at the very most. 0.138 at least 0.120, which is really big. United States dollars to XLM conversion standard extremely equal to 10.0705 coins per $1 and in all cases huge way today's reached 10.00010.1564, which is very huge. The past as close to 10.0331 showing that stellar price expectation on Wednesday, July 26th. Cost 0.109 sort of highest 0.117 least 0.101, which is a really big change for N 0.106, and especially 0.092, or so they thought. On Tuesday, August 1st, $1 was worth 9.709 XLM, but the most it could be worth was 10.417 XLM. On July 19th, converting 9.09 US dollars to stellar figures cost 10.101 coins at the very least and 10.870 coins at the very most. This is really important. On Thursday, July 20th, the estimated price of $1 in XLM was 10.417 coins, and a maximum of 11.236 coins could be leased for $9.709, which is a low price. Bitcoin stays at $30,000, Ethereum is above $1,900, and XRP goes up by 6%. Bitcoin nursed its wounds from the weekend and made small gains to stay above the $30,000 mark. Ethereum also went up a little bit but stayed below the $1,950 level. Bitcoin and other crypto tokens got over the weekend jitters, which were caused by people selling their digital tokens for a profit. But traders are still optimistic because a lot of money is coming into Toronto's Purpose Bitcoin ETF, which shows that market demand is high. The digital tokens were also backed by a positive decision from a U.S. court. Bitcoin was licking its wounds from the weekend as the largest cryptocurrency made small gains to keep its price above $30,000.